I want you guys to really do something creative, okay? So not just copy exactly what I do, but see if you can use all the Python that you have learned over the last couple of terms to create something totally unique. Check this out. You create a spiral, okay? Whee! Look at the turtle go. So the arrow thing is the turtle. Oh, yes. That's because I called A and then it's a conflict. So for C in range, there we go. Oh, that's much faster. So a chessboard is 8 by 8. Okay, so 8 squares by 8 squares. If I was in, say, the corner here with a bishop, the maximum number of times I can move is 7, right? 7 squares up and 7 squares across. So if I go print bishop moves, and then I put in 0, 0, it should give me a whole line of squares going down the middle of the board. So yeah, so 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, and 7, 7, which is great. You're going to create your own program to download YouTube videos. Okay, so we're going to first of all save your program, and then this is what you need to type. Okay, we need to install PyTube. So you go inside command prompt, you type in pip space install space pytube3 PyTube 3. Once you hit enter, your screen is going to look different to mine because I've already installed it. When you click enter, it's going to have some stuff pop up and say that the install is downloaded and it's installed, and then it should come up like this. And now the fun part, it's downloaded to our system. So ys.download, open close brackets. So I'll need to go to my Python folder. Yes, Ben.
How do you check if it's downloaded or not? Because I did that and then it was like not downloaded. What? I can't find it anywhere.
It should be in the same location as your Python file.
Yeah.
So I'm just going into.
What if my thing isn't in a folder?
There we go. See, Rick Astley, never gonna give you up.
MP4. Oh wait, yeah, I found it. Never mind. Yeah, I found it.
So it gets downloaded to wherever your Python file is. All right. So that is how you download a YouTube video with your own Python program, and you didn't have to buy anything. But you know, you only had to write 10 lines of code, right? Yeah, look at this. There's like 10 lines of code, not including spaces and stuff. Very, very easy. All right, team. That's it for today. I hope you all had fun this term. And make sure that you improve your Python by typing lots and looking for projects like I sent you. Okay? If you missed any of it, I'll send you the replay. All right, catch you later.